So the next topic over here is rounding of numbers. Okay, so I'll be directly going to the question. Okay, so the first question is rounding of following numbers to the nearest 10. Okay, so before that, before solving the questions, okay, remember when you are rounding a number to the nearest 10, you have to look at the digit which is in ones place. Always look at the digit which is in ones place. And remember, there's a rule. Okay, if the digit which is in ones place is less than 5, okay, the number or the digit which is in tens place will remain the same. Okay, you'll write 0 in ones place and the digit which is in tens place will be the same. Okay, if the number which is in tens place is 5 or more than 5, you will write 0 in ones place and the add 1 to the number which is in tens place. So when you add 1 to 9, it will be 100. Okay, so similarly, when you look at the number 63, the digit which is in ones place is 3, so you'll write 0, okay, in ones place, and the digit which is in tens place will be the same. Similarly, in the next question, the number is given is 922. Okay, so the digit in ones place is less than 5, you'll write 0 in the ones place. Since the digit which is in ones place is less than 5, you'll keep the number which is in tens place as it is and the hundreds place as it is. Okay, so 920 when you round off the number to the nearest 10. Okay, the next number is 95. So when you look at the digit which is in ones place is 5. Okay, so when you have, again I'm telling you, a number or a digit which is 5 or more than 5 in ones place, you will add 1 to the number which is in tens place. Okay, so you'll write 0 in ones place first, and when you add 1 to the number 9, it will be 10. So the nearest, when you round off 95 to the nearest 10, it will be 100. Okay, now in the next question you can see it's 94. Okay, the digit which is in ones place is 4. Okay, first you'll write 0 in the ones place. Okay, now look at the number which is in ones place, it's 4, which is less than 5, so you'll keep the number which is in tens place as it is. Okay, similarly in the next question, the number is 11 and the digit which is in ones place is 1. Okay, first you are going to write 0 in ones place and look at the number which is in ones place, which is 1 and which is less than 5, so you'll keep the number which is in tens place as it is. Okay, so again the next question over here is 68. Okay, now you are rounding to the nearest 10, so first write 0 in ones place. Look at the number which is in ones, look at the digit which is in ones place, which is 8, so it is more than 5. Okay, so you'll add 1 to the number which is in tens place. Okay, so 6 plus 1 will be 7. Okay, now rounding off to the rounding of the following numbers to the nearest 100. Okay, when you are rounding of the numbers to the nearest 100, okay, you have to look at the digit which is in tens place. Like when you are rounding of the numbers to the nearest 10, you are looking at the digit which was in ones place. Here you will look at the digit which is in tens place. Okay, the rule that was in rounding of the numbers to the nearest 10 applies to the rounding of the numbers to the nearest 100 also. What is the rule? If the number is less than 5, over here, how does it apply? Okay, I'll tell you that. If the number which is in tens place is less than 5, you'll keep the number which is in hundreds place as it is. Okay, like over here, you see the number is 934. The number, first you'll write 0 in ones and tens place. Okay, now you'll look at the digit which is in tens place, okay, which is 3. So the number is less than 5, so you'll keep the digit in the hundreds place as it is, which is 9. So when you have got a digit which is 5 or more than 5 in tens place, what you'll do, you'll look over here, you'll keep 0 in tens and hundreds place. Okay, now when you look at the digit which is in tens place, it is 8, which is more than 5, so you'll add 1 to the number which is in hundreds place. So when you add 1 to 5, it will be 6, so it will be 600. Okay, here there are 4 digits, but you are rounding off to the nearest 100 only. Again, you'll write 0 in tens and in ones and in tens place. Okay, now you'll look at the number which is in tens place, or the digit which is in tens place. It's 7, which is more than 5, so you will add 1 to the number or the digit which is in hundreds place. So 1 plus 1 will be 200. Okay, so the number is in thousands, which is in thousands place, will be the same, 1200. Okay, similarly, now in the next question, rounding of the following numbers to the nearest 1000. Okay, over here, when you are rounding of a given number to the nearest 1000, you'll write 0 in ones, tens and hundreds place. Okay, and you are going to look at the number which is in hundreds place. Okay, again, a similar type of rule that applies in 10 or hundreds. Okay, rounding of the numbers to 10, nearest 10 or nearest 100 will apply over here. The number which is in hundreds place or the digit which is in hundreds place is less than 5, so you'll keep the digit which is in thousands place as it is, so it will be 6000. Again, when you are rounding to the nearest 1000, you'll keep ones place, tens place and hundreds place with 0. Okay, you'll write ones, tens and hundreds place with 0. Okay, now you are going to look at the digit which is in hundreds place. Now the digit is 9, which is more than 5, so you'll add 1. Okay, to the number which is in thousands place, so it will be 8,000. Okay, so the last one is even and odd. Okay, even numbers are 2, 4, 6 and 8, and odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. And also remember that 0 is counted as an even number. Okay, so when you have got two-digit numbers or three-digit numbers or even four-digit numbers, just look at the number which is in ones place. Okay, and according to that you will write the numbers in even number or odd number. For an example, it's 46 and the digit which is in ones place is 6. 6 is a even number, so you'll write 46. Okay, over here it's 83. Okay, 3 is a odd number, so you'll write in odd numbers. Okay, over here if you look, it is 220. Since 0 is an even number, you'll write 220 in even numbers box. Okay, over here if you look, it is 1643. so look at the number or the digit in ones place, it is 3. Okay, so you'll write it in odd number box because it is the 3 which is in ones place is a odd number. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you, students.